you are doing your practical. Number one, how do you store your micropipette? You store your micropipette at the highest volume. So if you want to look at this, this is a micropipette that takes 0.5 to 10. So you cannot turn it, you cannot go below 0.5. If you turn it, you go, but you damage the micropipette. And you should not turn it above 10. Then it's set at 10. This can take 10 to 100. Then I'll store it set at 100. Then this can take 100 to 1,000. Then I'll store it set at 1,000. And I'll explain why. Okay. So you should have 3 micropipettes on your table. For this group 3, I should think group 3 and group 6, one set of 3 is for group 3, the other set is for group 6. So for those of you here, it's like that. You don't have any questions for me?
This do you consider as your microcentrifuge tube?
Okay. These are microcentrifuge tube. But rather you call them microcentrifuge tube because a pendulum is just a brand. Do you understand? Yes. So it's just a brand. There are a lot of companies that make microcentrifuge tubes. So you have them in different sizes. Like your PCR tube is 0.2 mil or 200 microliters. So this you see as PCR tube or 0.2 mil microcentrifuge tube. Then you have this as your 1.5 mil microcentrifuge tube. These are your 1.5 mil microcentrifuge tube. Okay, let's quickly look at what we want to do today. Okay. Please check your table. Do you have a forceps on each table?
Yes.
You don't have a forceps? Yes. Yes. Please check. Check those. Then we have a few lab rules. Of course, these are normal lab rules. If you need to call my attention, just let me know. I can either send someone to your group because of course I cannot be at the 7 groups at a time. So we'll try and make do as much as possible. You have some students around you. You can also call their attention. Please don't look at it that they are students. Some of them have been with me for like 4 months, some like 5 months. So they've learned some of these things. So they can just, at least, at the end of every workshop, this one is Expo now. We normally give a gift to the neatest group. So we expect that you should be organized at every point in time. At every point in time. You have a set of micropipette tips. You have the white tip that can take any volume from 0.1 to 10. So here, this will take 0.1 to 10. And of course, if you work with something that fits into this one, till next year we will still be there. Don't worry, this class will be interactive. When you joke about things, it stays. Do you understand? Yes. So don't take it personally. I'm just letting it be lively, so it won't be dull. Then this will only work with the white tip. You can see it goes in fixed perfectly. Then the second one, 10 to 100, will work with the yellow tip. These tips are color coded for our own convenience. But nowadays, different manufacturers have started doing whatever it is that they like. Then the biggest one, 100 to 1,000, will work with the blue tip. If there's anything missing on your group, just let me know. You have a marker there.
No, this one is dry.
It's dry. Wow. Your number is on your group, is on your tag. So if you're number 4A, then another rule. There is a way you hold your microcentrifuge tube when you want to label. They will say Alaja has come again. Like, can't you just hold it anyhow and label? Then I normally do this. Sorry, let me have a marker. This is 81, Abi? Yes. But like this. Aha, you see? Let's pass it round. And let me know if this is 18 or 81.
It's good. Depending on where you look at it.
Thank you. You can have the same problem with 6 and 9.
9 and 6.
You can even have the same problem with 16 and 19. 61 and 19. Now, when you hold your micropipette, you hold it like this. You know you are going to open like this. So you hold it like this, facing you. Already you have a writing, a labeling convention. So once I write 18 like this, I can't miss it that this is my 81 because I know all my tubes will face me. You can illustrate her, whatever way. So I know the tube will be like that. If it becomes part and parcel of you, the day you have a lot of samples, you cannot make that mistake. That's it. It depends. Because actually when I label this at 81. But sometimes it can be 18. Because some people, they are 8. No, the conventional is straight, like this. It must be straight, facing, because you open like this. So it should be like this, so that you label 18. Do you understand? Do you understand? Stay with one. I'm here, so yes, sir. If you are 4B, because we are supposed to have one marker, and then we noticed some of them were dry this morning. Some of the markers are dry. So please let's try and make a get one for them. So they have one. Group 1, you have a marker.
Or do you think that we are making use of one, these two?
So I think you all have markers now. So you all have markers now? Okay, good. You need one each group should have one marker.
Yeah, I'm not giving us there.
Okay, so you still need one marker. Okay. Okay, they finished the labeling.
This is personal.
Oh, okay. You know. All right. When you are through with your labeling, you can label your spin column too. Just one label. Okay. Now, are we good to go?
Yes, sir.
I check that. Okay, so when you pick your dry gloss spots, I'll come over there. Let me just pick your dry gloss spots. Please look up, please. Then bend it like this. And when you bend it, it will go down to the bottom of the tube. And you can just push it. So you are making it curved. That's why you are bending. So I picked it. Then I bent it. So you can pick it and then bend it. Then it will go down. Then you can just use it to push it down. And then you are good.
Can we change this concept?
So here, see, so you take your
class.
I know, I remember when you said it. Because I said when you used the word
so take it in the middle. Bend it. The reason why you are bending is